Hi, I'm going to call you back, or I will call you back. What's the difference? How do we use going to or will go? In this video, I'm going to explain both in detail with examples, the usage, the formation, and the appropriate function of both actions. So let's go. Going to do something or will do something. We use will for expected actions, upcoming actions, possible actions in the future. You can have a quick decision to say something about future. We use will. For example, I will see you in the evening. I'm busy right now. I will talk to him about this later. Going to. It shows planned future. There is a concrete sense. It necessitates the action. There is a little bit pressure of importance. So we call it planned future. For example, I'm going to buy a car the next month. So buying a car is not a rapid action. You have to plan what type of car you want to buy, what color do you choose, and what is the maximum package. So that's why we say, I'm going to buy a car the next month. Structure. Will shows future simple tense. First of all, we use will plus first form of the verb plus object. I will go to Dubai tonight. It is simple future. It shows the action, the decision that you have taken recently. I will have a party tonight. I will watch a movie with my friends tonight. We will go to gym together this afternoon. Don't forget, we will have dinner together. So, upcoming actions, quick decision, we use simple future tense, and we use for that will. Going to. Going to shows planned future. Examples. I'm going to change my job soon. They are going to build a new home. John and Sarah are going to get married soon. I'm going to register in UK for higher education. So, in future simple, where we use will, and going to, we use for future. The main difference is one shows rapid decision that you take, while going to shows planned future, the decision you have planned already, and that you will complete later. There is a point I want to make it clear. Sometimes we use a hi John, I'm going to call you back. Grammatically, it is not incorrect. It's okay. But function-wise, it would be better to say that, hi John, I'm busy right now. I'll call you later. I'll call you back. It looks a bit more professional and accurate. But I'm going to call you back. Like, if you see, calling someone back is not a planned future, is not something that shows necessity, importance, right? It shows rapid action, quick decision. So the best way is to say, I'll call you back later. I'm busy right now. Not to use, I'm going to call you back. I'm busy right now. Very confusing. Will and going to. I have explained both with formation, usage, and examples. It's very simple and easy. So how to memorize them or how to know about these two rules in English grammar? Very simple and easy. Try to use them in your daily life regularly. It will be quite easy to keep them, to use them properly. And it will be a routine words and routine terms for you when you use them at your workplace, with friends, and in your daily life regularly. Before that, I want to say bye. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. In case you have any comments, feel free to write it down. Your words are important to us. Thank you.